Danco Manufacturing is located in Vernon, Rockville, Connecticut, and is a fabricated metal product manufacturing industry. Danco only has 2 employees, one of which is Mario Daniele.
We have the milling machines, which you make parts that they have different configurations, like this part here. When you making these parts here, the material is removed with a tool that goes in the spindle, and that tool turns. Turning machines, you make round parts such as this, and here the tool doesn't spin, but the part spins when you remove material. That is the difference between milling and turning.
This company was started in 1998 by 2 brothers, in which machine parts are stamped and pressed for bigger companies such as Sikorsky Aircraft.
This is also a Sikorsky aircraft part. This goes in the gearbox, and these parts need to be replaced after 2,000 hours of flight. So they buy a lot of these pieces.
Smaller companies have the ability to quickly change and adapt to customer needs faster than larger corporations. This flexibility can provide for better customer service and personalized connection.
At first, it was kind of hard, but once we found enough customers, and the customers got to know us and realized the quality of our work and how reliable we were, then things got much easier. I will consider the best part is when you finish the job and it comes out to specification and you are able to deliver on time.
Without the small businesses like Danco Manufacturing, the big businesses would not be able to run. This is Zach Daniele from Cromwell High School reporting for Fox 61 News.